Will Bitcoin continue to rise? A comprehensive analysis. Bitcoin, often dubbed digital gold, has experienced significant growth and volatility since its inception in 2009. As of recent years, Bitcoin has seen meteoric rises and dramatic falls, captivating both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. The pressing question remains: will Bitcoin continue to rise? Let's dive deep into the factors that could influence Bitcoin's future trajectory. 1. Market fundamentals and institutional adoption. Bitcoin's value is fundamentally tied to supply and demand. With a capped supply of 21 million coins, scarcity is a key driver of its price. The increasing adoption by institutions has further fueled demand. Institutional investment. Companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets, signaling long-term confidence in its value. Additionally, financial giants such as Fidelity and BlackRock have launched Bitcoin-related investment products, increasing accessibility for traditional investors. Bitcoin ETFs. The approval of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, in multiple countries allows investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without directly owning it. If the SEC in the United States approves spot Bitcoin ETFs, it could attract even more institutional investment, potentially driving the price higher. 2. Macroeconomic trends. Bitcoin's rise is also influenced by global economic conditions. Inflation hedge. As central banks worldwide continue to print money to address economic crises, Bitcoin's fixed supply makes it an attractive hedge against inflation. Many investors consider it a store of value, akin to gold. Geopolitical uncertainty. In times of economic or political instability, Bitcoin often acts as a safe haven. For example, during conflicts or periods of hyperinflation, Bitcoin adoption tends to rise in affected regions. 3. Halving cycles and supply shock. Bitcoin undergoes a halving event approximately every 4 years, reducing the reward miners receive by half. This event decreases the rate of new Bitcoin entering circulation, creating a supply shock that historically leads to price increases. The next halving, expected in 2024, could potentially set the stage for another bull market. Past halvings, 2012, 2016, and 2020, have preceded significant price rallies, as reduced supply meets consistent or increased demand. 4. Technological developments. Bitcoin's underlying technology and its ecosystem continue to evolve. Lightning Network. This Layer 2 solution improves Bitcoin's scalability by enabling faster and cheaper transactions, making it more viable for everyday use. Integration with financial systems. Major payment processors like PayPal and Cash App now support Bitcoin, bridging the gap between traditional finance and cryptocurrencies. 5. Regulatory clarity. Regulatory developments play a pivotal role in shaping Bitcoin's future. Supportive regulations. Countries like El Salvador have embraced Bitcoin as legal tender, and others, such as Switzerland and Singapore, are fostering crypto-friendly environments. Challenges, however. Regulatory crackdowns in regions like the United States and China have created uncertainty. While stricter regulations could hinder adoption, clearer rules could provide legitimacy and encourage more investment. 6. Mass adoption and cultural shifts. As awareness and understanding of Bitcoin grow, its adoption continues to expand. Retail adoption. With more businesses accepting Bitcoin as payment and platforms simplifying its purchase, Bitcoin is becoming increasingly integrated into everyday life. Younger generations, Millennials and Gen Z, who are more tech-savvy and open to digital assets, view Bitcoin as a valuable investment, driving its mainstream appeal. 7. Potential risks and challenges. While Bitcoin's future appears promising, it is not without risks. Volatility. Bitcoin's price remains highly volatile, making it a risky investment for those seeking stability. Competition. Emerging cryptocurrencies with advanced features, such as Ethereum, Solana, or Cardano, could overshadow Bitcoin's dominance in certain use cases. Environmental concerns. Bitcoin mining has faced criticism for its high energy consumption. However, the industry is increasingly transitioning to renewable energy sources to address these concerns. 8. Market sentiment and predictions. Market sentiment and expert predictions remain mixed but optimistic. Bullish views. Some analysts predict Bitcoin could reach $100 or higher within the next few years, driven by institutional investment and halving effects. Bearish concerns. Skeptics argue that regulatory pressures or macroeconomic downturns could limit Bitcoin's growth or even cause significant corrections. 9. What should investors consider? For those looking to invest or hold Bitcoin, consider the following. Long-term perspective. Bitcoin has proven resilient over time, recovering from crashes and reaching new highs. Diversification. As with any investment, it's essential to diversify your portfolio and not overcommit to a single asset. Stay informed. Keep up with market trends, regulatory developments, and technological advancements to make informed decisions. Conclusion. Bitcoin's journey has been nothing short of revolutionary, transforming how the world views money and value. While challenges remain, the combination of institutional adoption, technological advancements, and macroeconomic conditions suggests that Bitcoin has the potential for continued growth. However, investors must remain cautious and aware of the risks associated with this volatile asset. As always, thorough research and a long-term strategy are key to navigating the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Will Bitcoin continue to rise? Only time will tell, but its foundation and global adoption trends make it a fascinating asset to watch in the coming years.